Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look into the 10 focus stocks picked by Motilal Oswal Post Q4 results. So we all know Q4 results have come out. Few have performed very good, few have not. So based on all these things, Motilal Oswal has picked 10 focus stocks to invest in for the future. So we'll get in and see which are those 10 stocks which needs to be focused and a quick review of it. So let's get started. So the stock prices as of 14 June 2019. First one in the list is State Bank of India. Its current share price is 344 rupees. The 52-week low is 247, whereas the high is 364. The industry PE is 195, whereas the company PE is 133. The PB is 1.43. The ROCE is 4, whereas the debt to equity is 14.30. The TTM EPS is 2. Promoter holding is 57%. Mutual fund investment into the stock is 37,651 crores, and returns for 1 year it is given as a return of 20%, for 3 years 19%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 5%. Next one on the list is ICICI Bank. Its current share price is 420 rupees. The 52-week low is 256, whereas the high is 439. The industry PE is 36, whereas the company PE is 63. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 5, whereas the debt to equity is 7.37. The TTM EPS is 6. The promoter holding is nil here because there are no promoters. The mutual fund investment is 55,637 crores, and returns for 1 year it is given as a return of 44%, for 3 years 23%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 10%. Next one on the list is Larsen Toubro. Its current share price is 1,525 rupees. The 52-week low is 1,182, whereas the high is 1,607. The industry PE is 32, whereas the company PE is 24. The PB is 3. The ROCE is 13, and the debt to equity is 1.66. The TTM EPS is 63. Here also there is no promoters, so it is nil. Mutual fund investment into the stock is 32,045 crores. Returns for 1 year it is given as a return of 11%, for 3 years 15%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 6%. Next one in the list is UltraTech Cement. The current share price is 4,517. The 52-week low is 3,260, whereas the high is 4,904. The industry PE is 41, whereas the company PE is 68. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 12, whereas the debt to equity is 0.78. The TTM EPS is 65. The promoter holding is 61%. 4,154 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it is given as a return of 20%, for 3 years 10%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 10.54%. Next one on the list is Maruti Suzuki India. Its current share price is 6,744 rupees. The 52-week low is 6,317, whereas the high is 9,929 rupees. The industry PE is 23, whereas the company PE is 26. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 23, whereas the debt to equity is 0.00, which means there is no debt with this company. The TTM EPS is 248. Promoter holding is 56%. 10,913 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it is negative, which is minus 24%, but for 3 and 5 years it is positive and a good return. For 3 years it is given as a return of 17%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 23%. Next one on the list is Bharti Airtel. Its current share price is 355 rupees. The 52-week low is 254, whereas the high is 366. The industry PE is 0.28, whereas the company PE is 445.13. The PB is 1. The ROCE is 7, whereas the debt to equity is 1.66. The TTM EPS is 0.80. Promoter holding is 62%. 10,355 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns, though this stock has given us a positive returns, but it is not that good returns. For 1 year it is given us only a return of 5%, for 3 years 4%, and for 5 years it has given us only a return of 3%. Next one on the list is Coal India. Its current share price is 256 rupees. The 52-week low is 211, whereas the high is 299. The industry PE is 12, whereas the company PE is 9. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 45, whereas the debt to equity is 0.08. The GTM EPS is 28. The promoter holding is 70%. 7,734 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns, the 1 year, 3 year, and 5 year returns are in negative. For 1 year, it is given as a return of minus 10%. For 3 years, minus 6%, and for 5 years, it is given as a return of minus 8%. Next one on the list is Indian Oil Corporation. Its current share price is 160 rupees. The 52-week low is 105, whereas the high is 177. The industry PE is 17, whereas the company PE is 8. The PB is 1. The ROCE is 22, whereas the debt to equity is 0.82. The TTM EPS is 18. The promoter holding is 52%. 8,917 crores has been invested in this stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns, 1 year it is minus, which is minus 8%, but 3 and 5 years it is positive. For 3 years it is given us a return of 15%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 14%. Next one in the list is Federal Bank. Its current share price is 106 rupees. The 52-week low is 67, whereas the high is 109. The industry PE is 36, whereas the company PE is 16. The PB is 1. The ROCE is 6%, whereas the debt to equity is 10.12. The TTM EPS is 6. Here also there are no promoters, so the promoter holding is 0. 3,861 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns, for 1 year it is given as a return of 23%, for 3 years 23.39%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 11%. Next one and the last one on the list is Asian Paints. Its current share price is 1,414 rupees. The 52-week low is 1,118, whereas the high is 1,529. The industry PE is 61, whereas the company PE is 62. The PB is 13. The ROCE is 35, whereas the debt to equity is 0.07. The TTM EPS is 22. The promoter holding is 52%. 5,965 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns, for 1 year it is given us a return of 11%, for 3 years 12%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 21%. So these are the 10 focused stocks by Motilal Oswal post this Q4 result. So if at all you all want to invest in any of these stocks, please do your research and then start investing, as this is not a stock recommendation from our side. And Motilal Oswal feels that these stocks to be focused. These needs to be focused post the Q4 result. So as I always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.